Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how to play Frere Jacques on the violin. Thanks for joining me here at Violin with Catherine. If you are new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. If you're a regular, welcome on back. Jacques is a traditional French song, and it can be performed or sung or played as a round, which means the same melody can begin at different points and be sung by different people and keep going around and round, and at the end you can go back to the beginning, so it's round and you just keep going around and around. So this version of Frere Jacques we are playing in the key of D major, which means we are going to use this M shape, simple hand shape on our starting on our open D string. We start with open D, 1, 2, D, and repeat that, D, 1, 2, D. Then on the D string, 2, 3, you can use your fourth finger or you can use your open A, and again, 2, 3, A. Now on the A string, A, 1, A, then 3 on the D, 2, D. Repeat, A, 1, A, 3 on the D, 2, D, D, 1 on the G, and D, and again, D, 1, D. So it's very simple. It's every bar just repeats the same little melody, and there are only 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of bars. So one more time over here, open D, 1, 2, D, D, 1, 2, D, 2, 3, open A, 2, 3, open A, A, 1, A, 3 on the D, 2, D, again, A, 1, A, 3 on the D, 2, D, D, 1 on the G, D, D, 1 on the G, D. Thanks so much for joining me here today. Please make sure you hit the like button down below and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.